In this video, I will show you how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on WhatsApp. Now there's a couple of things you're going to want to check and do in order to fix this problem if your profile picture is blurry. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you do have the most up-to-date version of WhatsApp on your device. So if you're on iPhone, you want to open up the App Store. If you're on Android, that's going to be the Play Store. And what you want to do is search for WhatsApp in the store. So here is WhatsApp. If there is an update available, you're going to see a blue update button. As you can see in my case, there is an update available. So what you want to do is update the app first of all. And once you've updated WhatsApp, what you can do is open it up and see if that fixes your problem. Now, if you don't see an update button, if it just says open or something like that, then that means you already have the latest version of WhatsApp on your device. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do once you're logged into WhatsApp, if that didn't work for you, is actually come into your settings. So if you come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto settings, in your settings, what you want to do is look for chats and then press onto chats. And what you want to do from here is turn on the option to save to photos. And then what you want to do is allow for access. Now by doing this, what this is going to do is allow WhatsApp to successfully read any photos or videos that have been saved on your device. Sometimes if this option is turned off, and for example, you've downloaded a picture or you're using a photo from your gallery, WhatsApp doesn't always read this successfully and can cause your profile picture to appear blurry. But by turning this feature on, the Save to Photos feature, what it's going to do is automatically save photos and videos you received to photos and allow WhatsApp to successfully read your photos in your album so that your profile picture does not appear blurry. So that is how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.